All right, guys, it is last minute. I have not put a video out in forever. We have been thrashing non-stop on this here duct tape queen. I brought in a ringer. We're gonna give it hell or high water. This car will do something cool. I promise you that. We have done a lot of upgrades since our last video. We got our new header on. We've got the big 1400cc supercharger on. We have left the headlight out. We done spark plugs. I still got to do an oil change before we go. We have re-gotten new tires again on all 3 of the 4 corners. It is as much of a sharpened pencil as I can possibly make it for this go round, and we're gonna give it hell. I brought in the best ringer I could in the 8-time track champion crew chief, my dad. So between James, me, my dad, my brother, we've all been over here thrashing on this thing non-stop, and we'll see what she can do tonight. If you're local to Bradenton, come on out to the Freedom Factory. Come say hi. Yes, the car is naked. Don't worry, it will have its stripes on. It will continue to be the duct tape queen for this big event. I am so glad Cletus lets me run out and run at that track. It makes my heart jump with joy that my father was able to come down, help me out with this, and get to see me make a lap in this here 4-cylinder Toyota. So, guys, keep an eye out on the channel. Hopefully, something cool happens. It'd be a miracle if we won, but you know, lightning can strike. I got a CTSV before. I've gotten some Mustangs before. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. Go watch on baldeagle.com. Stand by on the channel for updates from us later on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Catch you later.